1. Eat a high-protein breakfast. Protein helps you feel full and satisfied, so you're less likely to snack throughout the day. 2. Eat plenty of fiber. Fiber also helps you feel full and can help you lose weight. Good sources of fiber include fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 3. Drink plenty of water. Water helps you feel full and can help you burn fat. Aim to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. 4. Lift weights. Strength training helps you build muscle, which can help you burn more calories at rest. Aim to lift weights 3 to 4 times per week. 5. Do cardio. Cardio helps you burn calories and can help you lose weight. Aim to do 30 to 60 minutes of cardio 3 to 4 times per week. 6. Eat smaller meals more often. This will help you keep your metabolism revved up and prevent you from getting too hungry. 7. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks are full of empty calories and can contribute to weight gain. Instead, drink water, unsweetened tea, or coffee. 8. Get enough sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. 9. Manage stress. Stress can lead to unhealthy eating habits and weight gain. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. 10. Be patient. Losing weight takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep at it and you will eventually reach. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have other requests or questions.